And this old piece of shit will start no matter what. Mine is 36. Never plugged it in. Exhaust smells a lot like coolant. Once again, starts in the cold. Gotta do some pickering. My boat on top of that sea can fell off. This truck has pretty much no head gaskets left in it. A good old farm wagon. Well, we're back home from resurrecting pump jacks, servicing up my Dirty Max. New air filters, fuel filters. Ready to go. Baby D here. It's ready to go. Leaving on holidays in a few days, so trying to get some chores done. I got the cat filter. Hang on. Also, upgraded that plastic piece of shit fuel filter housing and put the cat filter on there. Oh yeah. Now the old Moose Hunter 300 there is on there. Hopefully I didn't do any damage to that tent trailer because it's not mine. The wind was blowing about 240,000 miles an hour. Blew what was sitting up there onto the ground after it sat up there for a year. Well, here we go. Well, we got it out of there. Not real worried about the old Moose Hunter boat, but looks like I might have some repairs to do on here. Yeah, not good. Definitely gonna have to do a little fiberglass work. Son of a. Also, gotta get this baby ready for the river, but instead, gotta pick her a $500 boat off of someone else's camper. See this buckskin horse here? He doesn't look too good. Well, it's because he's blind. Can't see nothing. Born that way. Hey, Blindy? Can't see a damn thing, can you, bud? Hey? Can't see nothing, eh? Blind as a bat. Huh? I'm filming you. You can't tell. Hey? He's not blind. This guy's blind. Stay warm. Does the Moose Hunter 300 deserve to be in here? Absolutely not. But as far as it's going to be. It's really sad that you have to boost these new tractors. They just don't make them like they used to. All right, booster pack on. Yeah, radio's off. Let's see if the old girl will fire. Come on, baby. Gonna need some Cosby sauce, I guess. All right, pull the valve stem out of that little doomahicker there. Give her a good shot of ether. A good shot of Cosby. Moto Master junk. It's not very good stuff. Okay. Now what now? Oh yeah. Come on, baby, keep going. Oh. More sauce. All right, another shot of Cosby. Come on, you old junker, keep running. Come on. More sauce. All right, come on. Oh, Ether locked it. Come on, clean your guts out there. Too much sauce. That's why old Cosby used it. Stop you right in your tracks. Huh, well, give it a second. Ever find something and wonder why you did it? Huh. Well, ran the booster pack dead. And I'm gonna try her again. Did we let the ether go away? For a minute, but we added more. Oh. Come on, you old junker. What's your matter? More ether. All right. 67th time is a charm. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. More ether. This old junker. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, this time. Just give her a little bit. More ether? All right. You asked for it. I think we got her this time. Oh yeah. But just for anyone watching, when you get these F550 stock and rip mud flaps off, you just come around to the back with the skid steer and just push it. It won't hurt anything. When you need a drum for used oil, you can safely take your daughter's barrel racing barrels, as long as there's 3 left. They won't even notice. Well, horses are fed, tractor's back, oils are changed, things are serviced, boat's off the camper. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm just doing this video mostly so I can practice editing. So, toodaloo.